Hey guys, today I'm going to try and show you guys, since I couldn't find anything on the internet showing how to install a radar system using the MirrorTap in an 2017 F150. So I figured I already have it installed, but I had to figure it out on my own, and I just kind of wanted to show you guys how to do it since it took a little while for me, which it shouldn't take long for you guys if you know what you're doing. All I really needed was a flathead screwdriver. You obviously don't need one this big, but it's what I had laying around, and then I found a pair of needle nose pliers worked out pretty well as well. So the first thing you want to do is just move your mirror out of the way, and you'll see up here, hopefully you can get enough light in here so you can see that there's a two-piece section right here, and this top piece right here, it actually just pops right off, and so all you really need to do is just take a screwdriver, come up here, and you can see it just real easily just comes right off, just like that. And try not to pull your headliner down when you pull this little piece out. Then you just pull that guy out like that. Pretty simple. See if I can get the light set up a little bit better here. It's a little better. So, and then all you need to do, if you can see up there, is I just have this MirrorTap cable. I have it run down, and it just goes right into that that white connector there. So there's a little clip here on the side. So let's see if I can show you guys here. Over here on the side, there is a little tab. Get it to focus here. There's a little tab there right in the middle. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Yeah. There's a tab right there. All you have to do is just pull that out. It's real simple. Just like that. So then this little piece comes down like so. Pretty easy. I'm not going to take it out because it was a pain in the butt to get in, but all you do is you run the black portion of the wire from the the MirrorTap into the top black wire. So you pull it out like this. There's two black wires. There's one on the bottom here, down here, and then there's one on the top up here. If you use the top one, that's the one that is the ground, and then there's two yellow wires that are also ran right to that same general location, and you want to run the red wire into the second one from the black one. So there's going to be a black that you run your black cord to, and then there's going to be a yellow, and then there's going to be a second yellow, and you want to run your red wire to that second yellow one. You just poke it right in there. Should stay pretty easy. That's the part that I use the needle nose for. It was just getting those wires in there, and then it's pretty easy and simple to rewire. You just plug this back in here. On here, so you just plug that in like that. So you want to make sure you have enough cord here to make sure you can run it to wherever your radar is. I have mine just to the left of the mirror. You can also get a little mirror mount. They do work on the 2017, and it just hooks right here. Let's see if, yeah. So you should be able to hook a mirror mount right onto there for your radar. And then obviously it's just the exact opposite to get this this cowl piece back on. And you can probably tell it's a pretty simple little design here. You just have the two little clips on the top that hook into the top of the headliner, and then this just kind of slides in. Let's see if I can get this on camera. So it just slides right back in like so, and then you want to make sure that these little the little bottom cutout there on the piece goes back in, and then obviously that you're not pinching any wires here. And then check both sides. First time I did this, one side clipped in and the other side didn't. But let's see if you can see that, maybe not. But just make sure both sides are clipped in there. And then I just ran the cord right out where the bottom, where the little mirror comes out. The post for the mirror, that was the best spot to run that cable out through. It was right there. And then to get this guy back in, once you have it all lined up, all you have to do is just push it in, and it just clicks right back into place. Easy peasy. Yeah, and that's about it. I personally use the Max 2. Alright. And then plug it back into the side, obviously. And when you turn on the truck, I don't have the key in here. Let me go grab the key. I'll be right back. Open your piece back up here, the little trim piece. Make sure you don't pull on this the black wire, the MirrorTap cable. The first time I did it, I pulled a little too hard on that, and it actually unhooked. And when I press the power button, see if it starts right on up. But the first time, it ended up disconnecting it. I'm assuming the laser is probably the flashlight. That's why it's going off right now. Maybe it's my camera. Something's going off to set it off, but it doesn't matter. As you can tell, it's all set up. I think it was that flashlight, my headlamp on it. You can, yeah, just a light.
Laser alert.
Good to know. Alright, well that's the completion of the installation. Hope that helped you guys out.